In this video, I will show you how to use audio embeds in Beehivv. There's also a link in the description through which you can get a 30-day free trial and 20% off for 3 months. To use audio embeds, first of all, open any browser and log in to your Beehivv account. Select the post option from the left side and click on the post in which you want to add audio. View your whole post. Now open your Google Drive in a new tab. Click on the new option from the left side and then click on File Upload. Double-click on the audio you want to add. It will be uploaded. Right-click on it and then click on the Share option. Click on Share again. Now restrict the access for anyone with the link. Click on Copy Link and then click on Done. Paste the link in the upper search bar so that we can use it later on directly from there. Now open a new tab and search pastebin.com. It is basically a website which provides the HTML code through which we can embed audio anywhere we want. You would have to navigate to the HTML5 section and find this code. Copy it all and go back to Beehivv Post section. Enable the editing mode by simply clicking on Edit Post at the top right corner. Find the place where you want to add the audio. Click on the plus icon from the left side and select the code block option. HTML element will open. Paste the earlier copied code here. Now go to the Google Drive and copy the link at the search bar from the letter D to this / before view. After copying this part of the link, go back to the Beehivv post editing page and first remove the insert ID here written in the code and paste the link copied from the drive. That's it. Now click on Preview to view it and then click on Save Template to save it. You are not able to see the audio embedded here because it's the feature of Beehivv that you can only view code here. You can view the audio embedded result when you publish your post or newsletter somewhere.